Instagram down. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Instagram right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with Instagram. So if you try to go to Google, to your favorite browser, and then search for Instagram down, there you will see their status and you will know if you are the only one or not. So if we go here, you can see that right now there are over 20,000 reports, and most reported problems are at the app login and 5% to website. And if you scroll down, you will see comments from people who also have issues with Instagram. Alex Marshall says it keeps crashing. I even restarted my phone just in case. So in conclusion, guys, you are not the only one who has this problem. You don't have to worry about it. They will fix this as soon as possible. Meta will fix this as soon as possible. You can try to restart your phone and update your app, but mostly you just have to wait until they fix it. So if you do have issues with Instagram right now, you can comment in the comment section down below on our YouTube video. You can like this video and you can subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.